You can also create a stylish Facebook name just by following this video. First, open your Chrome browser and search for Next Pro Tips. Once you're on the website, tap on the three-dot menu and select Fancy Text Generator. Scroll down a little and you'll see a text box where you can type the name you want to use on Facebook. Type in your desired name, and right below you'll get tons of stylish font options. Just pick the one you like the most and copy it. Now head over to Facebook, tap on the three-dot menu, go to Settings and Privacy, then Personal Details. From there, open your profile and you'll see the option to edit your name. Paste the stylish font name, click on Review Change, and finally hit Save Changes. That's it. Your stylish Facebook name is ready. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out how amazing your new Facebook stylish font ID looks.